Hey everybody, Tim Coach with Ethos Car Care here, and I want to show you how to clean and maintain the floor mats of your vehicle. Now you may be using rubber floor mats for many different reasons, for whether you live in wet climates or snowy or cold climates. They're going to keep the interior carpets from getting dirty and dusty, but your floor mats do need maintenance. They may get dust and dirt and grime and other contaminants that get spilled on them. So I want to show you how you can easily clean and effectively maintain these floor mats long term. Now the first step is to obviously remove the floor mats from your vehicle. Oftentimes floor mats are clipped in with a couple different clips. They could be Velcroed in, or there could be attachment on the back. So just know what, based on your make and model of your vehicle, how to remove them effectively. Pull them out of the vehicle and get a nice clean work area. You're gonna wanna clean them on the ground because we use different chemicals and cleaners, so we don't wanna put them on the carpet of the vehicle or anything that can contaminate the surface. So we're just gonna shake off some of the loose contaminants before we go to our next step, which is going to be vacuuming the floor mats. We want to make sure any of the loose contaminants, dust, dirt, debris, all that's removed before we use any cleaners and liquids on the floor mats first. All right, and now that you've removed all the loose debris and contaminants from the floor mats, it's time to use a cleaner. For this, we're using Super APC, which is an all-purpose cleaner. Spray liberally on the floor mats, and then you're going to want to agitate the grooves with a soft bristle brush to remove any embedded contaminants that you didn't remove during the vacuum process. Now, once all the grooves and everything's been thoroughly cleaned with our Super APC and our brush, we're going to rinse with the pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, you can use water from your hose, but pressure washer really makes this job really easy. After which, we're going to use some compressed air and a microfiber towel to dry all the grooves and the floor mat completely. All right, now that we've removed the floor mats from the vehicle, we've vacuumed and cleaned the loose debris, we've done a deep clean with a chemical like our all-purpose cleaner, we've rinsed them and dried them. Our last and final step that we want to ensure our floor mats stay looking cleaner longer is condition them with a product like your Interior Detailer. Now you don't want to use anything on the floor mats that can make it very slippery or slick. It could be dangerous for driving reasons. This is just going to add some protection to the floor mats, to the rubber, to make sure that stains and debris don't stick to the floor mat, so it makes your future cleaning a lot easier. Now all we're going to do is just lightly mist Interior Detailer on here and take a microfiber towel, and we're just going to work in the Interior Detailer. Now this is not going to add any slickness, like I said, for safety reasons. It's really just going to add some protection, as well as making your future cleaning extremely easy. So there you have it. You have a beautiful, clean, and conditioned floor mat ready for any season that you throw at it. Well, all we got to do now is put this back in, make sure it's securely attached, and you're ready to go and dry for many more seasons.